Kumusta na po? I'm here to tell you today that sad friend of mine died. I miss it. She died. She choked. She deep. She deep. How do you say it? American throat deep. She listened to song Lollipop. And she lollipop deep throat. And then she tried to swallow drink, but it did not work. So she she passed away. She died last year, but I found out today. But it's okay. She's probably in hell. I miss you. I love you. Bye.